So as you guys can see, I start with my lines and my ideas. I just want to set them down here. So as you can see, I'm setting them down, putting them clearly. Now I have more clear vision, as well as the outfit, the main outfit. As you can see, I'm trying to put the lines and finish them, like just trying to do it correctly. And now I'm just erasing the mannequin's body so I can put my motifs there. So as you can see here, I'm just erasing all the body parts because I do have my motifs. I'm just gonna show you it sooner. So now I put my motifs here, and now I'm trying to erase it and just make it as perfect as possible. So as you can see, here is the details matters when it comes to Moroccan culture and Moroccan inspirations as well. Now I'm trying to move to coloring. Yes, so here I'm just trying to find the right way to just color and make it so simple and creative and more realistic. Always in my coloring journey, I just try to make it more realistic so it can be like a 3D factor, kind of 3D factor. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So as you can see, now I'm just doing the details and just making it more even, because I realized this other side is shorter than the other side, and now I'm just fixing these simple mistakes. But you guys, don't worry if you make such mistakes. Just don't worry, don't panic, just fix it and erase it, but don't like sometimes you have to erase it, but my technique is to take the same color and just continue doing it, just don't panic. You gonna get there sooner, and just relax, okay? So now I'm just trying to blend my colors together to make this more realistic look. So now so here in the next step, I'm just trying to draw the motifs. That took me a long time because it's has so much details and so much little details that I need to focus on. So as you know, guys, if you want to know, if you want to see the full video without cutting and editing, the original one you're gonna find in YouTube, in my YouTube channel, is in link in the my profile description. And now I'm just trying to put the details and to draw it, the base. I'm trying to zoom in, of course, because it's all about details in the Moroccan culture. As I told you, I'm trying to show you how and to put the details and to draw this beautiful architect. It's originally came from like something called zilish. It's something that we use in agriculture, in our culture. So yeah, that where it comes from. You can like these type of drawings you find in the walls somewhere, like in the whether bathrooms or houses, or floors, something like that. Or sometimes you can find it in mosques too. So yeah, this how. And now I'm moving to the other details. As you can see, I finished the details. It took a long time, but just as I told you, it took me like almost 2 days to finish it. But it's okay, it's worth it. You guys are enjoying me, showing me the love and support I really needed, and it's worth it. It's all good, all love. and I love what I'm doing, so it's a win-win. So now I'm just going to deepest details for the colors. I took the blue, the turquoise, and orange and grayish color and white, so I can put the more details and color it so it will be more realistic as I picture it in my head. And so yeah, just stay tuned, stay updated, and I'm trying to finish it. And now I'm moving into the second one, so I'm just trying to make it just like the same one, the more details and the more little dots, just like so little. So you probably, if you want to do the same thing and you draw the same thing, you have to zoom in and let yourself just relax and take a break, you guys, because this is so hard to do and difficult because it's the details, it's more detailed. And now I'm just trying to finish it. So as you can see, I'm just trying to finish the more details as I told you, and now I'm just trying to put my details all together. So actually, I had to stop yesterday here, and but today I just finished it. So I just finished the rest. I'm gonna review the rest. So the rest, I'm just trying to do the same process actually, just zoom in and take care of the details and just trying to put the like these are concerned as a pearls. So the put my pearls in top of my design, and yeah, as you can see, I did the both sides. So yeah, now I'm just trying to make the finish steps, as you can see. So yeah, now I'm just trying to put a little shine and just to highlight it a little bit more. And as you can see here, I'm finishing the final product. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and follow and like, and don't forget to subscribe on my page and to like this content, and of course to share and to leave me a comment to what do you think about this beautiful piece of art. And I would love to see you in the comment section. And you guys, thank you so much for your support and love and education. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I see you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.